Hey guys, this is Len, and we are now on day 5 of my dropshipping journey. And I woke up today around 7 a.m. and I spent 12 hours worth of over 12 hours worth of deep work for dropshipping. And if you haven't watched my previous video, I mentioned on the fourth day video that starting today, I will be implementing Steve Jobs' concept of signal to noise ratio, wherein I list down three important things uh, that I will be doing over the next 18 hours for the sake of my mission, for the sake of my goal or dream, and the rest of the things that I will be doing are just noise. So, Steve Jobs mastered this concept with 80% signal and 20% noise. So he over the next so for the next 18 hours he accomplished those three things no matter what. Now, today, we accomplish first. I set up my online store and do some technic adjustments and technicalities, etc., etc. And it hasn't been published yet, but the store has been set up. Now, next, I studied today um, how to find a winning product. So I will be sharing to you guys what I learned and some insights about it. So yeah. So number one, so select a niche. So the niche that I selected. So I if you haven't know if you don't know yet, I own a apparel or clothing business that I started last year. So we have clients every week. So we supply sublimation shirts. So we supply to schools, organizations, sports, basketball, etc. So yeah, I choose that niche because it is something that I already know of and knowledgeable about, and it is also something that I am passionate. So in choosing a niche, so I suggest that you consider those two things. If it is something that will you have passion for, or you are not knowledgeable about it. And next, identify a problem. So I understand this concept that the bigger the problem, the bigger the market. So when you do a business, you offer someone a service or a product, and most of the time it is a customer buys from you because they see value in it, and it helps solves their needs or desires. So um that's a concept that I understand. Now, so when you're done selecting a niche, and then you identify then what problem you can solve, and from that you ask yourself what solution that you can make, or what products that will give solution to that problem. So also you find an existing community that will care about buying your product. So do market research, trends, and yeah. Next, so you ask yourself. So when you find a product, you ask yourself, can it be improved? So that it will set you apart from the competitors, and it will be what your business will be known for. So next, if that product cannot be improved, so you find alternative, and then ask again if can it be improved. So also you ask then yourself, is your product economically viable? So does a market already exist? And I'm just gonna say all of this. So you also ask how much money do these competitors that you are the industry you are journeying to. So how much money do they make or do they generate? So the more revenue they make, the more economically viable it is, or more employees equals more revenue. Now, you also ask how often will the customers repurchase that product? Does it have a growing market? Is it a seasonal product? So, much better if you choose a product that is all seasons, so flexible, because if you choose a product that is only available, that will only peak during one season, let's say winter, then your sales will only be at peak at winter. So you choose a product that is all season. And is your product a need or desire? So in my case, so a needs is, yeah, it is already self-explainable. So um if it is a need, people will buy it. But if it is a desire, that means that, like for example, the niche that I will be that I have chose, which is apparel or clothing. So it is a desire. So uh one thing that my goal is to build a brand that will build trust and give value to the customer, because I think it will help uh, the customers. So how complex is it to make and deliver? Can the product be found locally? How easy it will be to ship? Product. So what is the product shelf life if it is a food? So yeah, as I mentioned, I choose a clothing niche. So identify a problem. Problem is the people want to look good. People want to something that will bring value to them. So solution, you find products or you make a innovative idea um and offer it to the clients. So after that, I chose that. So I I explored. I I did some market a lot of market research. So I went over through TikTok, Google Trends, Facebook, Instagram, about the potential product ideas that I chose, and search if there is something that I can get from it. Thank you guys. See you on day 6. Bye.